हेलो एवरीवन। इस वीडियो में हम बात करने जा रहे हैं व्हाट इज़ इन्फिल्ट्रेशन एंड हाउ डज इन्फिल्ट्रेशन अकर। लेट्स बी स्टार्ट। Then first, what is infiltration? Okay, infiltration is a process in water enter. Okay, then where is occurring water entry? It's occurring soil surface. How? Okay, water enter कर रहा है in soil surface, but how? Through the soil surface vertically downward. Let's be clear. That's the soil surface, and water is touch the soil surface and enter the vertically downward. It's a infiltration process. Okay, then why infiltration occur? What is need to infiltration? It's a great practically importance since its rate to determine the amount of runoff over the soil surface. That how much infiltration is occur, that's affect also runoff property. Then you also confused about runoff and infiltration. Runoff is nothing, it's a movement of water but not vertically and downward, it's horizontally. Okay, then water move horizontally above the soil surface, it's called runoff. Water move downward in soil, entry of water in soil surface through soil surface, it's called infiltration. If infiltration rate is high, then runoff reduce. Why? Because infiltration soil absorb more water in its macro and micro pores, then less water flow the outer surface of soil. If infiltration rate is reduced, then runoff is great increase, because infiltration reduce, then water amount above the soil surface is higher, then runoff is increase. What is infiltration rate? Infiltration rate is nothing, it is the entry of water, rate of water entry in soil surface. किस entry मतलब किस speed से water soil surface में enter कर रहा है, that is infiltration rate. Firstly, it's increase, after that soil infiltration rate is decrease. Why? Because its soil surface, first water enter in soil surface, that's rate is increase, because soil having dryness and space in macro or micro pores, then infiltration rate is increase. After some time soil has a wet, it's having proper moisture, then infiltration rate is reduced. There is a three type of infiltration: incipient infiltration, cumulative infiltration, and basic infiltration. In incipient infiltration, first water entry on soil surface. That first, when infiltration is start, first molecule that enter in the soil surface, it's called incipient infiltration. After that, continuously entry of water layer by layer in soil, that's called cumulative infiltration. And basic infiltration is the last water entry. Okay, then final infiltration process is stop, that's basic infiltration. Next, we study that clay soil is having micropores, so its infiltration rate is slow, because in micropores space is less. Okay, then sandy soil having macropores and infiltration rate is fast. देखो, in clay soil having small molecules and micropores, that there is a not proper water holding capacity of molecules, and in sandy soil large space between the molecules and easily water hold between these molecules. Next, what is the factor affecting infiltration rates? Compactness of soil surface. If soil have more compact, then other kind of soil, it's having less infiltration rate, because there is a no space between molecules to hold water. Impact of raindrops. When rain enter in soil surface, it's having a velocity. When it touches the soil surface, that break down the soil molecules, and these molecules occur the pore space that between in these macro micro pores, so there is a no space to enter water, entry of water. Next is soil cover. Okay, soil having some vegetative covering, any other biomass, it's having less infiltration rate. Soil wetness. If soil having already moisture that not need to extra moisture to contain, and holding capacity is also decrease. Soil temperature. Okay, warm areas having high infiltration and compared to cooler areas. Soil texture, we also studied in previous that clay soil having less capacity to infiltration and sandy soil having more capacity to infiltration. Depth of soil surface. If having soil is greater depth, that infiltration rate is high because it's water enter through the deep layer in soil. Okay, then infiltration is measured through the infiltrometer. Used Infiltrometer is basically used to measure the soil surface. If you have any doubt, please comment.